We often see in science fiction movies how humans can travel to the past and future with the help of a time machine. This raises a question in all of our minds. Can we really travel to the past with the help of a time machine or travel to the future? In this video, let's explore how we might be able to time travel into the future. The concept of time travel is not 100 or 200 years old. In fact, it has been mentioned in ancient religious mythology, such as in Hinduism, where King Ravita traveled to the Brahmlok to meet Brahmdev. When he returns to earth, millions of years have passed. A similar story exists in Japanese culture, where Urashima Taro goes to the palace inside ocean, and when he returns, about 300 years have been passed on earth. Similarly, in a Jewish tradition, there is a story of a man who falls into a sleep for 70 years. When he wakes up, he does not recognize anyone there. The concept of time travel became popular in the 20th century. Many writers included time travels in their stories and movies. In 1900, when Einstein published the theory of relativity, the scientific community began to believe that time travel was possible. Since then, many scientists have developed theories based on the theory of relativity and quantum mechanics. Before understanding these old and new theories, we need to understand what time actually is. Normally, time is considered a one-dimensional quantity that always moves forward in one direction. However, from the perspective of time travel, time is not absolute and can be changed. Some scientists believe that events from the past are still happening in another dimension. With the help of a time machine, we can travel to any point in the future or past. The machine that enables time travel is called a time machine, as seen in the 2014 movie Interstellar, where an astronaut team travels through a wormhole. Many scientists believe that time travel to the future is possible. Let's take a look at some popular theories that explains how this is possible. Time travel by light speed. According to the theory of relativity, when we travel at the speed of light, we can easily go to the future. This is because time becomes slow for an object traveling at such high speeds. This phenomena called time dilation. For example, consider two twins who are 20 years old. One of them travels at the speed of light with the help of a rocket for about a year. When he comes back to Earth, only a few months have been passed for him. But for his twin brother, a year has passed. Experimentally, it has been observed that when we travel at 90% the speed of light, time for the object becomes 2.6 times slower. Time travel using gravity. As gravity increases, time also slows down. This has been observed on Earth, where people living near the equator experience slower time compared to those living near the poles. This is because gravity is less on the poles, causing time to run faster there. In a 2010 experiment conducted at the NIST research lab, two atomic clocks were used, one placed 33 cm higher than the other. The scientists noted the time difference between the two clocks and found that the lower clock was a few milliseconds behind the higher one due to feeling stronger gravity. If we want to time travel to the future, we would need to get closer to a black hole, where gravity is stronger. As we approach the event horizon of the black hole, gravity will become even stronger, causing our time to slow down significantly. This would allow us to travel many years into the future. Time travel by perception. Another method by which we can time travel to the future is by slowing down our time perception. This can be achieved by slowing down the processes of our body. Bacterial spores slow down the processes of their body, allowing them to the time travel to the future by reactivating their metabolism even after millions of years. Some mammals like bears and squirrels also slow down their metabolism when in hibernation, allowing them to live for months without any food. If we slow down our metabolism, it might be possible for us to time travel to the future. In 2005, American scientists conducted an experiment in which they injected hydrogen sulfide into a mouse cells, which worked as an oxygen binder. The body temperature of the mouse fell to 13 degrees Celsius and the metabolic rate slowed down by 10 times. The mouse metabolism was reactivated after 6 hours. However, when this experiment was done on pigs, it failed, but there is another method by which we can slow down the metabolism of our body. Using cold saline. If we replace blood with this saline, the body's metabolism rate can be slowed down. Scientists have successfully performed these experiments on pigs, and human trials will conduct soon. Time travel using wormholes. If we consider wormholes, they are structured like tunnels that enable travel from one place to another in the universe. To better understand this concept, imagine a paper sheet as a space-time fabric. When we place a heavy object on this fabric, it becomes folded and parallel to each other. If we create a hole between these folds, a small route will be created through which we can travel, and time on the other side of the wormhole will be different from our time. Many physicists, such as Stephen Hawking, believe that there are many wormholes around us, but they are on a quantum scale and smaller than an atom, making them invisible to the naked eyes. If we can create negative energy density, we will be able to increase the wormhole size and time travel to the future. Time travel by laser light. Ron Mallett proposed a theory in 2000, according to which time travel could be achieved using laser light. As we have seen, stronger gravity and faster speed slows down time. Using this, Mallett proposed a theory that using intense laser light arranged in a circular shape and rotating at the speed of light can also slow down time through the effects of strong gravity and faster speed. Any object that comes in contact with the laser light would experience slower time, allowing for time travel into the future. Comment and let us know if you would like to see the second part, where we explore the possibility of time travel to the past. Help us our mission of making scientific knowledge accessible to everyone by sharing it, like the video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video update. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.